Частьтарға бөліп көрсетесіз достар, короче.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed. He looked for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Well, it wouldn't be the first time.
Тиін іздейді екенсіз да, бұл адам.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well... seems somebody left. Recently. And... that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river. Ha! Whoa!
Let's
cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Watch out for this crevice. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Tracks go left, down here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right.
Tranquilo.
Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast. Careful, it's getting narrow here.
Yakın git kaldı değil mi? Daldırıp.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
Опа. Не жетер.
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
Ал жактан үн чыгат.
Come on.
Таң үстүн төлөт.
Up there.
Жактанбы же өйдө жагынанбы? Неге бияка кетип калдым? Мен
It's
түшүнбөй
coming
атам.
from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I'd grab that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
Дробовик алып алды.
You getting that gun then?
Есть? Вот он. Так, нет,
Grab your
плюс. Вот.
shotgun. Come
Бери
on.
дробовик. А,
Come on.
қорқот екен, ә?
It's slippery. Be careful.
Опа.
Get out of that. We're high up here.
You're telling me.
Күйін осыны жашынап екен.
Careful. There's a drop here. Watch out here.
Те қаққа кетіп қалған бұл үй, йо. Бияқта не қылып отыр? Бияқтан бірдеке тауып не үш жерден жейін отыр.
Stay low under here.
Түш жаққа жашайын отыр бұл үй. Мұндай
Okay.
жаққа қарсаң мұны.
Good now.
Көратсың ар не жердің яқ.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way. Gap here. That sounds close.
Девушка вообще там надо.
Oh, come on. We're coming, John.
Құлап кетсең сразу өлесің ғой. Жақта не қылып жүрген да бұл ой?
Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, where are you?
Marston! Marston! You hear me?
That's John. We're coming. Fellas there. He's down here. Down here.
Тон
All
үстінде.
right! Hot down, Marston! That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never
Yeah,
thought I'd
wonderful.
say this, but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Go! on, compadre.
Тигич жөөбосоо.
Well, can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You all right?
I don't think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Кайсына комастын мушагын кандай.
Look up there.
Perfect. You head for the horses. I'll keep John.
Надо спасать их, да? Да.
Okay, here we go, John. We'll leave them to Arthur. Get you out of here.
Stay there now.
Опа. Қайқа өліп бара жатыр мынау ешек.
Let's get going before any more of these bastards show up. Come on then, let's get back to the others.
Кетtik anda.
I don't feel too good.
Шыдап қой.
You'll be
Братан,
fine.
сен сақтайын деп атайын келді
a
потом
dog bite.
тегерен.
Knew a fella, got bit by a dog, died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet. Up there?
Опа, мықты көрдіңдер де?
More of them. Get the hell out of here! Get out! Look out on the right. We got more wolves
Опа,
on the left.
мықтан да келеді
Alejate
ешектер.
de mí.
Get out of here!
Тибин! Қанада біреу.
You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Jesus!
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
Arthur always says,
Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
so freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
Çıkmayasınız mıydı? Jatır Bey
You're
ya.
alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ah, careful, idiotas! It's
Ертеден бері алып келдік та.
Come on, let's get you
Ертеден бері
warm.
тейітіне қарға алып келдік. Толының екі тегерін алып келсек, бұлар
This is a new
Кыргызстанда
low,
çıkıp
even by
koşmayın.
your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank
You got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that... That's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss, let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr.
Қысқаша
Morgan.
кете тұршы бұл жақтан шелкенде қыш кетпей тұршы етті. Запад деді, восток деді.
We have been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.